me how you're closer to ya. Tell me how now.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working with, I believe, $748. I don't have my cash breakdown card. I forgot to fill it out. But anyways, this is gonna be a 2-in-1 video only because I'm a week late. I was supposed to do a cash stuffing video and then do my monthly expense breakdown, but I've been so busy with Etsy. I had I believe like 47 orders, so this is why I put my shop on hold right now until I'm able to catch up with every single order. So right now I have only 6 orders to do, and then I will reopen my shop, so please stay tuned. All right, so like I said, this is a 2-in-1 video. So took out the money out of my bank envelope. We're just gonna put these in the cash tray. I hope everyone is okay. I've been a little sick still, but it's all right. My immune system is weak, so this is why it takes me a while to recover from any cold or whatever, but I'm okay. Anyways, so let's do my monthly expense. And let's see. So actually, let me grab my Sharpie. 1 second. All right. So, like I mentioned before, I know everyone has like a separate binder for their bill money, but I don't want to deal with all that. So what I do is I did an auto pay envelope, and then I just stuff all of my bills in here and then put them in my bank, because everything is auto pay. So I don't see the point of, you know, having a separate binder with envelopes. But eventually I will do that. I will have a separate binder for all my bills. But for now, I'm okay with this. So rent, we should have $546 in the envelope, and then we should also have gym in there and Netflix. Amazon already charged, so I'm not gonna be including that in when I take out the money. And then Sprint is actually, like I mentioned in my last video, my Sprint bill, which is my cell phone, is usually $117, but it was $205 only because my brother was struggling to pay his phone bill, but he's gonna actually pay his phone bill this month. So this is $117, not $205. So we're gonna put 117 here, and then the other half of the rent. So let's see. So we should be taking out of here 117 and then 546, which is 663. So we're gonna go ahead and take out the auto pay money and then grab 663. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ew, what in the world is that? Oh my gosh. So 1, 2, 3, 5. So then minus 500, and then 250, that's 100. And now we need 63. I'm gonna do 3 20s and 3 singles. All right. So we said it was 663, right? Was it? 546 and 117. Yeah. So right now we should have 546, which is half of my rent. And then we should also have the gym, Netflix, Amazon already charged my card, and then 117 for Sprint, and the other half of the rent, which is 546. So we should have $1,309, and I need to deposit this as soon as possible because I think Sprint charges tomorrow for Halloween, and then I'm supposed to pay my rent already. So let's see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,100, 150, 200. So 1,200. And then 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 109. So that's my auto pay. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in here. So we are done with my monthly expenses. Now let's get into my sinking fund, which is not gonna be a lot, but listen, it's okay. You don't have to stuff a lot. You can work with whatever you have. So let's see. All right, move this to the side a little bit. Let's just show you guys this little wallet my dad got me for no reason, you know, just because it's cute. So I have my cash envelopes in here, but they're like too big to fit in there, so I might just remake these just to fit in here. Okay, so let's see. I should have some coins left in here. Yeah, I have a whole bunch. So I haven't used my jar in a while. There's like a whole bunch of pennies and silvers, but listen, you can still cash these. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in there. Okay, that's it. Anyway, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Now, the only cash envelope that's getting something is church, because we are working with only $85. All right, so church gets $10. We're gonna do 2 5s. All right, so we're just gonna put this in here. Okay, so let's get into our sinking funds. All right, so Debt Snowball is not getting anything. It still has $100 and I have to make a payment to my card. Etsy shop doesn't get anything. This is any rollover money from my cash envelopes. All right, so we're gonna start with Julian. Julian gets $10. So Julian now has 100, 50, 70, 90, 200, 10, 15, 217. And I'm actually gonna break this and put a 20 because I messed up on my denomination. So, okay. Oh Lord. So 217. Mason is also getting $10. I'm gonna do a 10. So Mason now has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 10, 15, 217. Milo, my puppy, gets $5. So Milo now has $30. Student loan gets $5. So student loan now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, $75. School supplies gets $1. So now it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Birthdays gets $1. Ew, another one. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Okay, getaway gets $2. So Getaway now has 10, 15, 16, 17. Emergency gets $10. Do a 10, so that's 20, 30, 35. Family savings gets also $10. Do 2 5s. So family saving has 30. Dream home gets 5, and like I said, it's up on my denomination, so I'm gonna have to break a 20. Let's see. All right, so I'm having a hard time splitting this. I don't have the right denomination, so we're just gonna continue. Subscription gets $1. So subscription now has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Subscription has 34. So I need to break this 20 so I can stuff 15 for Christmas and then 5 for Dream Home. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do this, and we're gonna put this 20 here, even though this is gonna be over $5, the student loan. So I'm just gonna put a note down here so I know. So what is this? Student loan, extra 5 to put into Dream Home. So that's what we're gonna do, and then once I get change, I'll swap the bill and put the 5 inside Dream Home. So Dream Home will have, let's see, 25, so it should have $30. So I'm just gonna put a little star here so I know. And then that's about it for our sinking funds. And we're gonna bring in my little Christmas box. This doesn't usually look like this. It usually has, you know, my name typed, but it's for me, so it's whatever. But for anybody who wants to buy it, I do make it, you know, nice. So so we did 2 envelopes, so we have 20 left until Christmas. And since we have $15, that's what we're gonna stuff. We're gonna look for one that's 15, and I'm pretty sure we have a 15 in here. Let's see, 30, come on. Okay, here it goes, 15. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in there. Oop. Okay, like that. We're gonna put it back here, and we're gonna highlight envelope 20. So now we have 19 envelopes to complete this savings challenge. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and consider subscribing. I will be doing a sinking funds update. I'm thinking if I should record tomorrow, or maybe I'll upload it on Tuesday the 2nd, since my kids are doing virtual learning that day, since it's election day. So I might just record on Tuesday. Yeah, so like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video and you subscribe, leave me a comment. And if you have any questions, make sure you message me either on Instagram or even on Etsy. So I'll see you on my next video. Bye.
Yes to my praise.